Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bosch Oscillating Tool is probably one of the most versatile power tools you can find in your workshop or garage, perfect for a wide range of DIY projects and professional tasks, from intricate sanding and precise cutting to aggressive scraping and demolition work. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about this amazing tool, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs and how to get the most out of it. Number 5. Bosch GOP18V28N Multi-Tool. This is the new Bosch GOP18V28N, a powerful and versatile multi-tool. It's designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease and precision. It features a StarLock 3D interface for superior blade grip and torque transfer. This means more power and control for all your projects. With it, you can flush cut, plunge cut, sand, grind, and more. It truly is a multi-tool for any job. It's compatible with all StarLock and StarLock Plus accessories, giving you endless possibilities. Expand your capabilities with ease. It delivers corded-like performance, providing the power and speed you need to get the job done quickly and efficiently, without the cord. The EC brushless motor offers increased runtime and exceptional motor life. It's also ultra-compact for better handling. Its wide 2.8 degrees oscillating arc provides better accessory utilization and increased productivity. Get more done in less time. Changing accessories is quick and easy thanks to the snap-in, tool-less design. No more burnt fingers. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor and a wide range of applications. If you need a tool that can handle tough jobs and lasts long on a single charge, this is the one for you. Its cordless design and long runtime make it ideal for various projects, big or small. What people say. This tool performs a job that none of my other saws can. It is not always the best tool, but when it is, it works great. Example, cutting a nut off of a faucet, under a sink, behind the sink. No other tool would have reached it like this one. Incredibly versatile, I doubt I have scratched the surface on uses yet. I really like the start lock system. Takes 5 seconds to remove and replace a blade. I've used other oscillating tools and replacing blades without StarLock is tedious. This uses the same battery as my drill and impact. I've used it to cut nails, wood, and PVC pipe. Cuts all of it like butter. Number 4. Bosch GOP12V28N Multi-Tool. It's more than just a tool, it's a versatile solution for a wide range of tasks, from flush cutting to sanding and grinding. Experience the ultimate in adaptability. It seamlessly integrates with the entire StarLock accessory range, expanding its capabilities even further. Unlock a world of possibilities. Despite its compact size and light weight, it delivers exceptional power and performance. You'll be amazed by its efficiency. The variable speed dial gives you precise control over the oscillations, from 5,000 to 20,000 OPM. Customize it to match your project's needs. Its wide oscillating arc ensures better accessory utilization and increased productivity. Get the job done faster and more efficiently. It comes complete with everything you need to get started: the multi-tool, a plunge blade, mounting screw, hex wrench, and an accessory box. Ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This lightweight and compact design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. If you value maneuverability and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. Its versatility ensures you can tackle a wide array of tasks with ease. What people say. It works as expected. The tool is easy to handle. I'm a small, 60-something female, and for this lefty, the most ambidextrous of all my tools, since the bits can be set for any angle. A battery lasts for 45 minutes of average use on a slow speed. It's not only appreciably smaller, but weighs around 2 pounds, W battery, or about half that of the Bosch 18V brushless multi-tool. And this tool does not disappoint with its smooth operation. Vibrations, at the grip, are practically non-existent even at the highest speed setting. Number 3. Bosch GOP40-30C Multi-Tool Kit. This is the Bosch GOP40-30C Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, your new go-to tool for a variety of tasks. It's powerful, versatile, and easy to use. It features a StarLock Plus 3D interface for superior grip and torque transfer. This means more power and precision for your projects. With it, you can tackle flush cuts, plunge cuts, sanding, grinding, and so much more. It truly is a multi-purpose tool. It boasts a powerful 4.0 amp motor with reinforced metal gearing for long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for even the toughest jobs. The 3.0 degrees oscillating arc ensures better accessory utilization and increased productivity. Get the job done faster and more efficiently. Changing accessories is quick and easy thanks to the snap-in, toolless system. No more fumbling with tools or burning your fingers. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, and it's perfect for precise flush cuts, like those needed for door jambs. It's designed for accuracy and efficiency. What we like. It's built for heavy-duty applications and comes with a wide array of accessories. If you're a professional or serious DIYer needing a powerful tool with a comprehensive accessory kit, this is the best option. The included accessories allow you to tackle a variety of tasks without additional purchases. What people say. Worked great. Comes complete with selection of saws. Powerful. The Bosch was a much better tool. It has the slow start that makes it easier to start your cuts. And the variable speed helps keep a clean cut. The tool-free blade change is real convenient. This tool is top shelf, very strong, feels great in your hand with great vibration control. The saw just feels as if the blade and the saw are one, so accuracy and control is really enhanced. Number 2. Bosch GOP 40-30B Multi-Tool Kit. This is the Bosch GOP 40-30B Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. It's designed for power and precision in a compact, lightweight design. It features the StarLock Plus interface for superior grip and torque transfer. This means you'll get the best performance on every job. This tool is incredibly versatile. It can flush cut, plunge cut, sand, grind, and so much more, all with ease. It's compatible with all StarLock and StarLock Plus accessories, giving you a wide range of options to tackle any project. With variable speed settings from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, you have total control. The powerful motor handles even the toughest tasks. Changing blades is quick and easy thanks to the innovative snap-in system. No more fumbling or burnt fingers. What we like. This tool delivers heavy-duty power and versatility, while also offering a convenient toolless blade change system. If you need a powerful tool that's also easy to use and maintain, this is a great choice. The toolless blade change saves you time and effort on the job. What people say. The blade removal is absurdly easy, no more hex wrench or tool to put blades on and off. They literally snap on, and with a turn of the lever, pop right off. Because of the numerous contact points of the blade connection, I am finding that the power transfer feels stronger and there is no slop at all in the blade movement. 4-amp motor is top in its class, so there is no lack of power even at the lowest setting. The housing is bomb-proof, but fortunately the tool is fairly light at 3.5 pounds and feels good in the hand with significantly less vibration than cheaper units. Number 1. Bosch GOP 18V 34N Multi-Tool. This is the new Bosch GOP 18V 34N Oscillating Multi-Tool. It's designed for ease of use and superior performance. Notice the upgraded handle and improved grip. It's more comfortable and easier to control than ever before. It features the StarLock Plus 3D interface. This provides a more secure blade grip for increased torque and faster accessory changes. The battery position has been rotated 90 degrees for better balance and less interference during flush cuts. This tool reduces vibration by up to 80% compared to previous models, making it less fatiguing to use. It boasts a brushless motor for corded-like power and speed, with a top speed of 20,000 oscillations per minute. The improved cutting angle increases efficiency. Upgrade your workflow with the Bosch GOP 18V 34N. It's the ultimate oscillating multi-tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. It features an ergonomic design and high-speed operation for increased efficiency. If you value comfort, speed, and precision, this is a great option. The improved ergonomics and high speed make it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What people say. The balance is good and the vibration reduction is valuable. It is variable speed, can put blades at 90-degree angles, like cutting a metal pipe from within the pipe, priceless, and the blades are high quality even if not cheap. I was impressed by how useful this tool is. It quickly rips through even the old-growth studs in my old house like butter, and makes short work of drywall. More than enough power for cutting easily through everything. I've set it against the grip is comfortable and it is easy to maneuver in tight spots. This is new version and vibrations are really lower, amazing tool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.